Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No house, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure to work in a well-lit area to avoid losing any small screws. Start by powering off your HAP 15seq1018ns and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery, if possible, as this will ensure your safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop counter. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them organized to avoid confusion later. If you find it challenging to remove the screws, a magnetic tray can be helpful. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now, locate the LCD cover. It is typically secured with additional screws around the edges. Carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep track of their locations. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you decide if you want to proceed with the repair yourself. After removing the screws, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be cautious of any cables that may be attached to the cover. If there are any, carefully disconnect them before fully removing the cover. Once the old LCD cover is removed, take a moment to clean the area around the screen. This will ensure a clean fit for the new cover. If you have a replacement LCD cover ready, align it with the screen and gently press it into place. Reattach any cables that were disconnected, ensuring they are securely connected. Then, replace the screws around the edges of the new LCD cover. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could crack the cover. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws on the back panel, ensuring they are all securely fastened. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it earlier. Plug in your laptop and power it on. Check to ensure that the new LCD cover is securely in place and that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You can also request a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the LCD cover on your HP 15seq1018ns. This repair not only saves you money, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.